Hello viewer, I am going to edit that cute picture with the baby girl and the goat. So first of all I will go for the adjustment and get the color mixer. So here we will mix up some colors and get a strange design. Unlock the layer and we will create some extra layers. It's a layer we have created. Now we will change the style of the layer. In these styles I will pick up that one. Then I will make a selection for the zero layer. Here is the layer I have taken. Now change the style of that one. So I will pick out of them. I will choose that one. So then I will make another change, that is gradient, but within the gradient I will pick up that one to create design on it. We will make it a 3D layer. So for 3D I will go for the plane. So let's wait for creation of designs in 3D. So that's the design we have got at the end. It's a plane design. We will revolve it. So that's the layer we have taken for it. Thank you for watching.